Hello, Mr. Beans, Mr. Perfect. So I am here to be a certain amount of attractiveness, body language, eye catch up, that attractive, that funny, that eye contact. Most of the people, they think that there is something, come. There's something in this world we don't have to change about all the things. We just have to think the features that I can relate with the peoples that will not enjoy with ourselves. So my dear friends, we are here to gather the same frequency, same energy, and same enthusiasm. Each and every customer is important for us. So my suggestion, my humble request, if you are going with some kind of challenge in your life, some kind of issue in your life, some kind of sadness into your life, so forget about that. Be perfect and be present 100% at your workplace. So if you are 100% present at your workplace, you will become more productive day by day. And if you delegate your task to your team members, you are becoming a true leader. So my dear friends, delegate your task into your potential staffs. Encourage them and tell them you are capable enough, you have potential to achieve, to regain your lost customer. So enthusiasm is the main potential each one of the staff that can relate with your public speaking. So my dear friends, if you are a public speaking, you are the most important person in your life. My friends, fear, worry, stage fears, that is nothing worry. So if you are doing that confidence into your life, my dear friends, if you are going through the challenges of your life, it will relate to your life. And one of the most important person in your life, that if you believe in that, something wonderful will be happen. Public speaking is not something like not learnable. Public speaking is that simply skills, acting, art. You love the public speaking. I love the public speaking. I love the response from public. I love the integrated from peoples. No matter how the situation was, my perspective of situation is to believe, to reticulate, to ensure your capability inside your thing. Like that, you are making eye contact with me. You are seeing my hand gesture. You are seeing my feet, my body relaxed with your confidence, your body gesture, everything it will encourage into your life. No. So that is the true concern in your life. If you are happy, if you are feeling guilty, if you are feeling, just relax, just take a deep breath in and just take deep breath out. So if you are doing like that before going to deliver any speech, you will become more powerful, more strength from inside. There is two kind of person inside every person, each and every person. If you are speaking in front of camera with focus, with dedication, with no one, that's what I am trying to tell you. That's if you are believing in your life, if you are telling to someone with your life, that is not comes with the other life. But my dear friends, if you are willing to tell the peoples that we are doing some kind of organization boot camp where you can learn, where you can invest, where you can meet your connect peoples. So that is my motto. That is my main agenda of this boot camp.